Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Ms. Mehwish, your Islamia teacher. In our previous class, we have done reading and explanation of unit number 11, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, part 1. Today, we are going to do each exercise, question answers and fill in the blanks on page number 25. So before starting this exercise, let's have a recap of the unit. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born on 12th Rabiul Awwal in the city of Makkah in the year 571. This year was known as the year of the elephants because why this year was known as the year of the elephant? Because an army from Yemen had came to attack the Holy Kaaba and they wanted to pull it down, but they were not successful because Allah sent flocks of the birds which pelted them with stones, and this killed them one after another. Our Prophet was born on 12th Rabiul Awwal in the city of Makkah, and that year was known as the year of the elephant. What is the reason? The reason is that in that year, an army from Yemen came and they wanted to pull the Holy Kaaba down, but they were not able to do so. Why? Because Allah sent flocks of birds which pelted them with stones, and this killed them one after another. They were killed. So people of Makkah had seen an elephant for the first time, so they were very excited. Therefore, the year was named as the year of the elephant. So our Prophet's father, Muhammad's father, Abdullah, he was a member of a tribe of Quraysh, and they were very important people in Makkah because they were looking after the Holy Kaaba. Quraysh were very important people. Why? Because they were looking after the Holy Kaaba. So his father, our Prophet's father, died a few months before his birth. Before our Prophet was born, his father was died. So what was the practice over there? It was a practice that noble Arabs sent their babies out into the desert to be nursed. Okay, on the 8th day after the birth, and the babies came back after 6 to 8 years. Okay, after 6 or 8 years, they came back to their mothers. So why they used to send their babies into the desert? So that they become good in health in the pure air of the desert and they learn good habits there. Okay, so that they become good in health and they can learn good habits in the pure air of the desert. So now let's move to the exercise. Page number 25. Exercise 1A. Write sentences to answer these questions. Write sentences to answer these questions. Question number 1. When and where was our Prophet, peace be upon him, born? Answer is, our Prophet, peace be upon him, was born on 12th Rabiul Awwal in the city of Makkah. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, was born on 12th Rabiul Awwal in the city of Makkah. Why did an army come to Makkah from Yemen? Why they came? An army came to Makkah to attack the Holy Kaaba. An army came to Makkah to attack the Holy Kaaba. So why did the people of Makkah name that year as the year of the elephant? Why did they do so? Because the people of Makkah had seen an elephant for the first time. So the year was therefore named the year of the elephant. Okay, they had seen an elephant for the first time. That's why they called that year as they named that year as the year of elephant. Why were they able to pull down the Kaaba? Why? Were they able? No. No, they were not. Why? Because Allah sent flocks of the birds which killed them with stones. Okay? They were not able to do so. Why? Because Allah sent flocks of the birds which killed them with stones. So why did the noble Arabs send their babies out into the desert to be nursed? Why did they do so? Yes, they so that their children, so their babies, they become so that they become good in health and learn good habits there. Okay, so that they become good in health and learn good habits there. Now, page number 25, exercise B. Put the right word in the gap. Number 1, Muhammad's father name was Muhammad's father name was Hazrat Abdullah. Muhammad's father name was Hazrat Abdullah. Dash were the most important people of Makkah. Who were the most important people of Makkah? Yes, Quraysh. Quraysh were the most important people of Makkah. So why they were important? Do you know that? They were dash the Kaaba. They were looking after the Kaaba. They were looking after the Kaaba. Number 4, Allah sent dash of dash to kill the army that came to dash the dash. Do you know what Allah sent? Yes, Allah sent flocks of birds. Allah sent flocks of birds to kill the army that came to what? Attack. That came to attack the Kaaba. Okay. Allah sent flocks of the birds to kill the army that came to attack the Kaaba. Okay, that's it. Now you have to write it down on book page number 25 and exercise A. Do the exercise A on notebook also. Okay, and then attach it on the Google Classroom. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take a lot care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.